Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Tuesday, February the 5th, and this is a quick hit on the PMs, precious metals. Looking at silver, gold, and GDX. So, as always, starting off with silver. Not a good day, not a bad day, just another day. We're still waiting for the breakdown on silver. Still worried. If we do take out a previous high, that will be extraordinarily bad, and the down move, at least for the moment, would be discarded. What do we have? We have a minor topping area in the heat map. We have the CCI going up, the 14-day RSI moving average continuing to go up. The stochastics in minor disagreement, down on the RSI, down on the MACD histogram, up on the MACD. Kind of a mess. More positive than negative, but still kind of a mess. The candle is not very good for the bulls. We still have yet to break the eyeball trend line and the descending major trend line. If those go, it'll be very good for the bears. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. If we look at, this is interesting, we were looking at the internal structure volume on the indexes tonight. It didn't look bad for the indexes in the short term. And what about silver? Well, it is interesting. At the moment, we have 5 greens. 5 greens. And you can see as all of these come together, it's been this move up. And what's happening at this moment? We have warning signs. We could very easily have a switch on the volume price trend. We can have a switch on the accumulation distribution channel, which is massively important. It's one of the big two. And we could have a switch on the volume weighted MACD very soon as well. In which case, if those happen, we'll have 3 reds, and this will officially be negative. We aren't that far away from the dual volume flow, but we do have plenty of room on the on-balance volume. So overall, if we get some movement down, which I think is entirely possible, this could very rapidly turn very ugly. So, nice. And moving on to GLD. Gold. Gold has not been as strong as silver. We've been watching this, and once again, having problems with the long-term moving average bar, getting kicked out of it again. Just keeps bumping its head, bump, 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 all over the place. Still working off the bottoming area in the heat map. It is still almost all the way gone. We have the RSI going down. We have the fast stochastic going down, or the slow stochastic going down. I'm sorry. Or am I getting confused again? I'm getting my colors confused. Alright. We have disagreement in the stochastics. We have the 14-day RSI moving average still moving up, along with the CCI, along with the MACD histogram, along with the MACD. Overall, not bad for gold in the daily time frame, except that we know the long-term moving average bar is a massive problem. Now, if we look at internal structure of volume of gold, we know that this has been weaker than silver. And look at this. We have 2 reds about to reaffirm a 3rd, and in danger on a 4th and a 5th. Notice that the accumulation distribution is one of the reds currently, and the unbalanced volume is about to reconfirm red potentially. Those are the big 2. Have those both red, with the 3rd red here, possibly a 4th, possibly a 5th. This could fall away very rapidly, very ugly, and break out this lower trend line. And when that happens, this is going to be really, really ugly. Going on to GDX. Where are you, GDX? Here you are. Now, we've been saying on GDX is bad. Takes silver, takes gold with it. And it has done that, not to the degree that it itself has gone down, but it certainly had an effect. Been watching for this uptick to resolve itself. Once again, it did not resolve itself today. There's still 2 days for that to happen. I said last night we want that to occur, if it does, before it has to exceed the lower trend line to do so. We still have the 14-day RSI moving average moving down. We have the secondaries moving up in a very minor fashion. The CCI actually going sideways, the MACD going sideways, and the RSI already going down once again. So the overall trend on this definitely is down, but we are getting a little bit of a secondary reset. Now if we look at the internal structure volume for GDX, what do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds. And you would see this one if it was larger. I'll just blow that up. There it is, 5th red. So this is quite poor. And we were saying going up and bumping our head on this upper trend line and falling apart be totally bad. This certainly agrees with that assumption. And if it does so, breaks out this bottom, you can see silver and gold taken right with it. And they all have pretty darn good alignment to do so. This certainly has great alignment to do so. So I still hold that PMs are going to be going down. And I wish it would hurry up and do it. But the market moves to its own beat, not mine. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.